Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea and I have another video for you guys. Today I want to talk about Crocoin's price as well as Tectonic, give an update on Tectonic and where I think we're going. I kind of want to just talk about Bitcoin, the S&P 500, and the overall crypto and traditional markets. So let's hop into this video, guys. We are at 6,700 subscribers. Once we reach 10,000 subscribers, we're giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin. And once we reach 25,000 subscribers, we are giving away this loaded lion NFT, guys. Super excited to give this away. It's like 2,500 bucks or something. It's awesome. And there's more giveaways to come. All you got to do is be subscribed, retweet this tweet for the loaded lion, and each month you're a YouTube member, you can get an additional plus 10 entries to winning this loaded lion NFT. So super excited about that. So let's hop in and look at the overall crypto markets. So, guys, right now we're doing good. There's all this FUD happening in the market right now about the Genesis going bankrupt, and a lot of people think that Genesis is Gemini, and Gemini is not even the same thing as Genesis. Genesis is a earn platform that Gemini had something to do with, but Genesis is going bankrupt. Centralized interest rates collapsing. It's a thing, guys. We saw cryptocom being ahead of the curve and cutting those rates because, guys, it's not sustainable. It is a marketing ploy. It's a way to get new users to use the platform, and that's okay. That's okay. By all means, give high incentive for people to use your platform. I think that's great. But when you can't afford it anymore, you either need to cut it or you need to change your business model to keep those people playing on your platform. But I will say that this just goes to show that DeFi is the answer. Crypto Kip and I in our live stream last night, we were talking about, you see in all these centralized earn products failing, and it just goes to say DeFi is the answer. DeFi is the answer. And honestly, you can get better yields on a lot of DeFi than on using these centralized exchanges. I mean, you use the Cronos DeFi app, and you can get up to 11% or sometimes even 12%, like with Jerry's pool staking Crocoin. And I mean, with like Solana, I can loan out my Solana for NFTs and make even a higher APY on that. And there's risk, definitely there's risk, but it's decentralized. I'm not worried about them going bankrupt and just taking off with my money because it's inside of smart contract platforms. It's DeFi is the answer, guys, and I want to see that continue to grow, and I think that is kind of where the world's heading, and I love to see it if it doesn't get crushed. As long as DeFi doesn't get crushed by regulation, that's where the world is headed. So keep an eye out for that, guys. But overall, Bitcoin up about 21,100. Love to see that. My price target is above 19,500. If we get daily, weekly candle closes above 19,500, I see a bullish continuation happening for Bitcoin. And you guys know what that means. Bullish continuation on Bitcoin means we're going to get a nice ripping rally for the altcoins, for Ethereum, Binance, for Crocoin, Solana. We're going to see a rally. Pretty interesting seeing some meme coins ripping right now. ApeCoin is up pretty heavily. Dogecoin's up, but everything is relatively up just a little bit right now. Nothing crazy, but honestly, Bitcoin right there, I love to see that. 21,100 right now. Going to be really interesting to see when the traditional market opens up here in the next few minutes. So let's look about Crocoin, guys. So we came down, and we are almost playing with this resistance level. Excuse me, the support level right here. Originally was resistance. We're going to turn this resistance into support. You love to see that, honestly. We're coming up here. Hopefully we do something like this, because that's what will probably happen. But if we don't touch this line at 0.0686 cents, that I'm okay with that too. If we start stair stepping here, doing something like this to move to the upside of this channel to about 10 cents, that'd be fantastic. And honestly, if Bitcoin closes above 19,500 on the weekly, I think we're headed there. I think we're headed to the 10 cents range on Crocoin, and I think you'd be surprised on how fast we'll get there. Because honestly, fair value for Crocoin is really, in my opinion, about the 12 to 15 cent range. If Bitcoin gets up to 28K, 25K, then I think we're talking about the 18 cent range on Crocoin. So keep that in mind. As long as we don't have any huge capitulation events on Bitcoin, I'm bullish. I'm cautiously bullish, so keep that in mind. Let's look at Tonic, give a little update on this. I thought this was really interesting, so I wanted to talk about this. Here are our resistance levels. But guys, do you see this massive wick? It's absurd. That's what I'm saying, guys. Talk about a scam wick. Let's measure this candle. man, at 18% wick to the downside on Tectonic on the 4 hourly immediately gets gobbled up. Immediately, it's a scam wick, guys. You pop below the support and you pop right back up. That's what I'm saying, guys. With these smaller cap altcoins, even if it's utility in a great project, if it has a small market cap, you got to be careful. You got to be careful because there could be no liquidity in certain areas or low liquidity, and this can happen. Just wham, just come straight down. Just you're trading, you're above the support, You're like, oh, we're fine. Wham, oh no, what do I do? I'm panic selling. The next thing you know, it's right back up to the top. Just V-shaped recovery. You need to be careful. You need to be very, very careful. Basically, it's like stop loss hunting for exchanges when you see stuff like that, especially on smaller cap altcoins. So we're still pretty though. We're sitting pretty for Tectonic. I mean, we're still above my area of support at what is 1971. We're fine. We're fine hanging out here as long as we're above that. I'm not that worried, but we did get that scam wick. You got to be aware of scam wicks, guys. Sometimes this happens. Comes down and just bounces right up. So let's talk about Bitcoin. So we're still above my line of 19,500. We're trading at 21,150 right now. It's great. This is a great thing to see. If you're in a long position or want to enter a long position, we have a bunch of links in the description box below. We have a sign-up bonus for BitGet. You get up to $8,000 for signing up, opening a trade, depositing, and doing some trades, and you can get up to $8,000. It's pretty crazy. There's also Femex. We have lots of different leverage trading platforms in the description box below. You can get sign-up bonuses and a bunch of free money. Please leverage trade at your own risk. It's very, very risky, but lots of people make lots of profit off it. So if you want to open up a long, go ahead. I'm personally thinking about jumping in a long here if we get a weekly candle close above the 19,500. But I think there's bullish continuation, so it potentially could be a good spot to enter a long position. Not financial advice, but just telling you what I'm thinking about doing. But so, guys, if we get this close above 19,500, we're really headed to the 25 and maybe even $30,000 range. I mean, not 30,000. I would say probably about $28,000 range. Probably about here. 25 between the 25 and 28K range if we get this weekly candle close. But if we do come down below the 19,500, I do expect potentially we'll work our way back to around the $15,000 mark. And I know nobody wants to see that, but right now there's no reason to be talking about that because we're still above 19,500, thankfully. So we're gonna keep a close eye on that. So let's look over the S&P 500, guys. We are still just playing with this resistance level on this channel. I am ready to break out of this. We've been talking about this for a while. I'm ready to break out of this resistance level. Give us that risk on asset rally, guys. We want to see Bitcoin continue this bullish momentum. We want to see these altcoins continue this bullish momentum. Let's go. Like we're ready. We're squeezing right now. The S&P 500 has been very, very, very stable with low volatility the past few days. Because we're playing right now. We're playing around with this level, and it's really important that we break above it. If we come down and make our way all the way down here, I'm not going to be too happy. I think that we're going to see some downside on crypto. So we got to keep a close eye on this, guys. Got to keep a close eye on this. And if you stuck around this far, guys, please like and subscribe to the video and the channel, and also consider becoming a member. We have awesome perks where you have loyalty badges as well as some emojis that you can use in our live streams every Tuesday, Thursday, 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time, as well as a private Discord with NFT Alpha, NFT whitelist spot giveaways, trade signals, and a little bit more one-on-one and a closer community with CryptoKip and I. So if you want to do that, would love to have you join as a member. Really, if not, please like and subscribe to the channel. Really appreciate that. And I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye.